Oops, try this side. Let's try it again. Scam. Let's scam people. Oh, there's people on there. Let's scam it now. Hi, can we trade? Oh, sure. Give me a second. Let's trade. I'm gonna trade this one. This is expensive. What are you gonna trade? What? You're gonna trade me this for that? I think okay. Yes, again. Guys, I think I changed my mind. I'm not gonna scan now. Just I'm so sorry, guys. Check. Oh, that's so beautiful. I mean, this is so beautiful. Ouch. Sorry. Let's push it. What are you gonna try? I don't know. I'm gonna try this one. Are you serious? Okay. What is this? What the fuck is that? Did you say something? No. It's lost. I'm gonna try this my squishy. This and this. Wait for part 2.